Okay, this is the power supply test. This is plugged into 120 volts AC. This is the power supply plugged into it, and then this also sources 120 volts, which we will be plugging the heating blanket into that will warm the fermentation tank, just to show that it can withstand the current. So that's now plugged in. And now I'm turning on the heating or the power supply, and just so you can see that it's on, it's got 12 volts, which is connected right here. So now we will be watching this for a period of about half an hour to show that it can withstand this for a sustained period of time.
Well, I'm glad that this guy bolted this in the way he did. Worked out pretty good for the earth ground. He's getting drunk without me?
I'm drinking kombucha. We could just get wine hammered though.
I kind of want to try one of those big cold beers.
Go for it. Do that in the fridge.
You haven't had them yet, have you?
Not cold. Way better. You're just gonna fast forward this.
What?
Yeah, time lapse it.
I got it.
Just cut the.
This is not yours?
No. You can just cut the volume
Yeah.
when we're talking. But now I'm stuck over here.
Mm-hmm. You could crawl if you can get beneath that table. Or if you can jump really high.
I guess we'll try this good job.
We'll plug her in.
Yeah.
Right the door.
Got it? Let me get some book. Doesn't get fucking heavy without water, dude.
Yeah, it looks heavy.
That's a short on this and we'll step on it. Do not touch the back of this. It will shock the fuck out of you. Is he even on, dude?
I'd say it's on.
Oh shit, we need to put more water in.
Well, I'd say that's gonna come to a rolling boil. Well, that was really good. Need my coating and temperature sensor. We're like, well, I don't know. I mean, may not even need it. If it never comes to a rolling boil, we won't even have to shut it off. Now I'm just worried if it's gonna heat up the bottom.
It's gonna burn out that, yeah, the top is gonna boil off. And if that relay can stand it, dude.
Yeah. Well, we got 3 relays, so. much did you put in there? 4
Um,
or 3 and
like 3.5, like just enough to cover it. So that's probably. Did you just throw one more gallon in?
Yeah, just a little more. So let's see, 5.
So we're gonna have to switch them then, huh? Or we're gonna make 5 gallons.
I mean, for now, it's gonna be a test if it's 5 gallons in it, but I mean, I'm still gonna go down there and see if they'll switch them. Or just drill 2 more holes, because if that gets that hot on the bottom, then for sure boil this thing, you know?
You know, we should not time lapse our videos for Dawn.
Leave them, slow them down, like 0.75. Did you say that? Alright. You can see dogs run by every now and then.
Oh, he's timing this.
That's the thing, still a little bit.
Corey, touch it. No, just leave it.
Yeah, dude.
No cord.
It's like she knows what we're doing. She's watching too. Shitload of food in this water.
Did not.
Oh, you sneaky dog.
She's gonna do that. Oh, we should be updating the bigger size, huh? I got no options.
I think I'm just gonna do a shitty MS Paint photo edit.
What diode did you switch to?
LED?
You know how I had the service mount diode? And you're like, can we just use these instead? What diode was that?
The 1N40, 148. The one that I have on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 1N40, 148 or 48, 41.
Have you updated your beaver source?
Not yet. I'm slowly working on it. Almost done on my control lockdowns. Why do you always come over here like me? The worst times. You look like you just drank some water. You drink some boiling water? But that bang.
Yeah.
Can you, hand me the tape that's on the...
Where is it?
It's like a white strip. I think it is.
This? Not this one. This one.
No, that's not on
Oh, just a masking tape?
Yeah, it's like this white. Pillow strip.
I'm confused. How are you loading that power supply?
That's going into a PCB. Remember?
Well, but how do you have it right now though? It looks like you just have it.
It's not loaded. I thought that was the point of this, is the blocks are supposed to...
Because, I mean, it seems like you should be trying to test that thing, yeah, loaded, but how do you even... I mean, I guess you could, the other way you're doing it, because like right now, it's just, you basically just have that plugged into the wall.
Well, there's some... It's still gotta do some voltage regulation and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. That's more of a system test.
Yeah.
That's
I mean, well,
this-
what you could do is you could use one of their those power resistors,
That's, I'm
but
not doing shit.
yeah.
That's gonna have to do...
I mean, if you start to out some shit, like, Don, that's system requirements. Like, what? How do you expect us to do this as individual blocks and not as
Yeah.
a system integration thing? I understand like the relay, but yeah, definitely drop the audio off that recording.
With this placing songs.
Elevator music.
Or just move a horrible song. Like Friday. Actually, I like that. What is on my fingers? I feel like I wasted so much time studying
What?
for those kids today. You just don't know if it's gonna be. I think what we can take out from this is he'll never put an actual circuit on there. So it's circuit problems we don't have to worry about. Not that they're hard, but it's just like. can't believe we got a 6. Fuck. That's bad. Goodbye. Straight A's. I might go in and talk to Tia. She's fucking hot. You missed her. She came in and dropped them off.
Oh, there.
Damn, she's our TA. I'll talk to her. Every single girl, cover your status. Before you transform. You know what the
You
time-
fuck up on the homework all the time, though.
Yeah. It's true. You are lazy. Aren't we all? So, yeah. Oh, cool. I was scratching your head and kicking my leg at the same time, too.
Our dryer went gas.
Yeah, I was wondering why it wasn't functioning. Tell you what.
Well, we're already up to 180. Huh. We could get it above 190 in like 2 hours.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I think Don will understand. Yeah. I wasn't drinking beer.
Logan just walked across your guys' thing twice.
Right. It's not like it's doing a whole lot.
I'm about to curl up in that blanket.
Logan.
Get a little warm up.
You know, I think
He's
as
just
long
gonna
as
sit right there.
we can show tomorrow that this relay works with that, it's not gonna be a problem.
What?
Is it bedtime?
With 240. I think that was his biggest concern today, was that the relay works for this duration. So, I mean, if we put on a 240 and our relay obviously still works and our system still works, like I don't see, you know, obviously we didn't, I mean, I guess somehow maybe we could have calculated BTUs that the heating element was gonna put out on, you know,
Yeah.
but that was just something we didn't do, like, I don't know, we didn't account for 120 volts. We thought 120 volts would be able to put this out of rolling boil, and now I see it can't.
Do you think we have a ruler?
Some sort.
Yeah, I got a ruler.
190,
I'll just use this.
we're gonna do it. For like 2 minutes.
Minutes so far. Smells like chlorine. Good old fucking put it out with water.
You boil out the actual H2O and then you're left with all the crime runoff. Whatever. I'm thinking once we're done with this, like this summer maybe, as a little side project, I'll make like a PCB with a microcontroller that's smaller. That just has enough for just what we need for this. Maybe a couple expansion ports that doesn't cost as much. Because I'm, the closer we're gonna, like putting this together after seeing everything together, I'm like, I'm gonna make my own one. It's like, I definitely want
Like a good one.
to pimp it up, yeah. Maybe sell one to up in Ireland.
Oh, we got our first roll. Rolling.
Look at that. always boiling when you try and measure it in your hand gets back up the steam.
Don't
like that, puppy.
210. Core, get away. Get away.
It's at 210 right now,
Yeah.
so it's there.
Oh,
A little bit closer to the side.
It works. This drawing is not going to be nearly as nice as the one party's on.
What?
This drawing is not going to be nearly as nice as the one party's on.
Think I could just take pictures of my completed thing and put it on there for the design specs
Which thing?
of my ingredient station?
As long as you have video proof of the circuit.
No, I mean just for like, you know, the design, like the.
Oh, just like the mechanical the overview of
Yeah, whatever.
the parts put together.
Just be like, boom, this is 2 inches, this is.
I didn't on my box, like I wrote down I wasn't very like specific on the measurements of things. Like I was just specific on the general shape, but like exactly where each hole is, I didn't really. Just
Rolling.
So,
Hello?
it's at 1740 right now.
likes to see things work.
I'm sure they can take this site down. It's really helpful.
I know. I have just about everything downloaded from that site.
Thanks.
And I still have it bookmarked, so.
I think there's a command that you can do in the terminal to get everything on the page. And I think you can like specify like parameters,
Oh, really?
parameters that make it so it's only like certain types of files like that. Probably easy to just like put it down.
Solder, cement, glue.
Oh, you guys got a solder headache? A lead headache? You guys in the lab tonight? It's like, oh man, I got a headache from all this soldering. There's water.
That new Kid Cudi album and new Chitty Bang album. Both supposed to be out this month.
Have you got an album coming out?
Yeah. Blizzard.
Where's that relay?
After tomorrow, I'm gonna have like one more assignment to do this week. Coasting. It's nice.
I have a midterm Wednesday morning.
So I have 2 midterms next week.
I haven't started studying for it. It's in my backcourt class, so I'm hoping
Yeah.
to be.
I've been having Carly do all my shit. Like, I don't even. Every now and then I'm like, keeping up on my class? She's like, yep.
What, alright, so what? So we need to wire that 240 volt cable straight to this.
Yeah, you can desolder this wire if you want.
I mean, it says it's rated for it.
You have to do it anyway.
Okay. So we'll run one lead each. How does this work?
No.
Okay,
Because
so
it's
this has
gonna-
been running.
Yeah, it's gonna. It each.
This has been running for half an hour. We still got 12 volts. Nothing's smoking. Nothing's on fire. This has been running on high. It's nice and warm. Now I'm going to hit the emergency stop to show that it goes off. So you hold this for 1 second. And you can see that it drops to 0 volts. You can also, I don't know if you could hear the fan, but the fan turned off. So there is the power block test. Thank you.